Good morning, folks. I've been checking into getting this phone fixed so y'all ain't gotta look at me every morning or every video. Just wanted to bring y'all out to the garden. First of all, see the chickens. We had my cabbage there hanging. Eat that thing up. But look at that. If y'all can see that or not. Oh, right in there. Right in there. Right in there. Got some in here, ain't coming up yet. Right in here. That's all where these poles are. Rose or kale. We love kale. I know that's planted a little thick, but we'll thin it out. And then we got turnips in the middle and collards at the end. Plus we had some seeds come up. I'm not sure what they are yet. I was thinking some kind of squash, but look at that leaf on that one. I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. But the chickens pecked all through here for about, let's see, I had them in here for about 2 weeks, I guess. We had the electric poultry net around here and just let them go in and out of the coop whenever they wanted, and they scratched all through here and eat it all up pretty good. I sprinkled some rabbit poop out through here. And next week it's supposed to rain just about all week, so it'll get watered really good. Oh, there's one of my caps to the electric fence. Been looking for that. The blueberries and the plums are looking good. There's some blueberries that didn't make it. I'm hoping they bounce back, but I don't think they will. But we had extras. Bought that whole box for 10 bucks. We potted a bunch of them out here. I got a bunch of them potted over here. I've sold, I want to say about 30 of them, just like this, $5 a piece. So already so far I've made 150 bucks off that $10 investment. Same with the strawberries. These are the ones that didn't look too good. I think I've sold 50 or 60 bucks of strawberries, and then I've got some planted also. I'm also gonna plant all of them because you never know. Pear trees coming. Dropped the phone. I'm not sure if y'all are upside down or right side upwards. Had a loofah there. I'm not sure which way y'all are now. I'm gonna have to cut this video. If y'all are right side upwards, you'll still see this. If not, I'll just cut the video. We'll talk to y'all later.